The rise of the machines in our classrooms. Imagine a classroom, but not the one you remember. Desks are arranged in a circle. Students are deeply engaged. They're collaborating on a project. A holographic projection flickers to life. It displays their assignment in intricate detail. No, this isn't a scene from a science fiction film. This is the future of education, powered by artificial intelligence. For decades, AI has been relegated to the realm of imagination. We've seen it in movies, we've read about it in books, but today, AI is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's a reality that's rapidly transforming our world, and education is no exception. From personalized learning platforms to AI-powered tutors, the way we teach and learn is undergoing a profound shift. But with this great potential comes great responsibility. As we integrate AI into our classrooms, we must proceed with caution. We must ask ourselves, is AI a force for good in education? Or does it pose a risk to the very foundations of human learning? The answers, as with most things in the cosmos, are complex. Join me as we explore the exciting, uncharted territory of AI in education. Together, we'll delve into its potential to revolutionize learning, while also confronting the challenges it presents. Let's embark on this journey of discovery, where the future of education unfolds before our very eyes. From flashcards to algorithms, a brief history of AI in education. The seeds of AI in education were sown long before the digital age. Remember flashcards? Those simple tools designed to reinforce memory through repetition were an early attempt at personalized learning. They represented the first steps towards tailoring education to individual needs. As technology advanced, so too did our vision of AI in the classroom. The advent of computers in the 20th century brought about computer-assisted learning programs. These early programs offered rudimentary forms of personalized instruction. They tracked student progress, they provided feedback, but they lacked the sophistication of true artificial intelligence. The 1980s and 1990s witnessed the rise of intelligent tutoring systems. These systems harnessed the power of early AI algorithms. They could adapt to individual learning styles. They could provide more targeted support. However, they were often limited by the computational power of the time. Today, we stand at the cusp of an AI revolution in education. Advances in machine learning and natural language processing have given rise to a new generation of AI-powered tools. These tools are transforming the educational landscape, offering unprecedented opportunities for personalized, engaging, and effective learning experiences. The AI Teacher's Assistant transforming today's classrooms. Step into a modern classroom and you'll likely encounter AI hard at work. But fear not, it's not here to replace teachers. Instead, AI is emerging as a powerful ally, assisting educators in countless ways. One prominent example is automated grading. AI algorithms can now grade multiple choice and even essay-based assignments with remarkable accuracy. This frees up valuable time for teachers. They can focus on providing personalized feedback and engaging with students on a deeper level. AI is also revolutionizing the way students learn. Intelligent tutoring systems have evolved into sophisticated platforms that provide personalized instruction and support. These systems can identify a student's strengths and weaknesses. They can tailor content to their individual learning pace. They can even provide real-time feedback and guidance. But AI's role in the classroom extends far beyond grading and tutoring. AI-powered tools can assist with lesson planning, creating interactive learning materials, and even identifying students who may be at risk of falling behind. By automating tedious tasks and providing valuable insights, AI is empowering teachers to be the best educators they can be. Section 4. Personalized learning for every student AI in K-12 education. Imagine a classroom where every student learns at their own pace, guided by a personalized learning path tailored to their unique needs. This is the promise of AI in K-12 education. AI-powered learning platforms are already making this vision a reality. These platforms adapt to each student's strengths and weaknesses, providing customized content and support. This personalized approach ensures that students are challenged but not overwhelmed, fostering a love of learning that can last a lifetime. Moreover, AI can help bridge the gap for students who require additional support. AI-powered tools can provide real-time translation for English language learners. They can offer personalized interventions for students with learning disabilities. By making education more accessible and inclusive, AI has the potential to unlock the full potential of every learner. Section 5. The University of the Future AI-Powered Higher Education. The transformative power of AI extends far beyond the walls of K-12 schools. In universities and colleges around the world, AI is reshaping the landscape of higher education. One area where AI is making significant inroads is in personalized learning. AI-powered platforms can analyze student data such as grades, learning patterns, and even online behavior to provide tailored recommendations for courses, majors, and career paths. This level of personalization can help students make more informed decisions about their education and future careers. AI is also changing the way courses are taught and delivered. Virtual reality and augmented reality, powered by AI algorithms, are creating immersive and engaging learning experiences. Chatbots and virtual assistants are providing students with 24/7 access to information and support. And AI-powered research tools are helping scholars and researchers analyze vast amounts of data, leading to breakthroughs in various fields.
Breaking news.
Section 6. Building the Schools of Tomorrow AI and Educational Infrastructure. The impact of AI on education extends beyond the classroom, reaching into the very infrastructure of our schools and universities. From smart buildings to intelligent resource management, AI is helping create a more efficient, sustainable, and student-centered learning environment. Imagine a school building that anticipates and responds to the needs of its occupants. AI-powered systems can optimize lighting and temperature based on occupancy patterns, reducing energy consumption and creating a more comfortable learning environment. Smart security systems can enhance safety and security, while predictive maintenance can identify and address potential issues before they disrupt learning. AI is also transforming the way educational institutions manage resources. AI algorithms can optimize school bus routes, reducing transportation costs, and minimizing student travel time. Intelligent scheduling systems can ensure that classrooms are used efficiently, maximizing space utilization. By streamlining operations and improving resource allocation, AI is freeing up valuable resources that can be redirected towards enhancing the student learning experience. Section 7. The Promise of AI Empowering Students and Educators. The integration of AI into education is not without its challenges and concerns. However, the potential benefits are undeniable. AI has the power to empower both students and educators, creating a more engaging, effective, and equitable learning experience for all. For students, AI offers the promise of personalized learning tailored to their unique needs and learning styles. It provides access to a wealth of information and resources, empowering students to take ownership of their learning. AI-powered tools can help students develop critical thinking skills, problem-solving abilities, and digital literacy, preparing them for the workforce of the future. For educators, AI serves as a powerful ally, automating tedious tasks, providing valuable insights, and freeing up more time for personalized instruction and mentorship. AI can help teachers create more engaging and interactive learning experiences, tailoring content to the specific needs of their students. By empowering teachers with the tools and resources they need, AI can help them unlock the full potential of every learner.